Whipping some cream cheese in a large bowl. And now I'm going to add some mayo. 1 cup of mayo.
So what is this going to be?
This is going to be Leinenkugel's beer and cream cheese pretzel dip.
Here's the recipe.
There we go. Knock a little bit of this off. Try to poke it through.
You're going to scrape down the sides of your bowl too?
Probably should.
I think that'd be a great idea.
Okay. Yeah, there we go. Trying to get in there. A little bit like concrete mixer. Alright, and add the mayo. Almost a cup of mayo, maybe closer to 3/4. That's okay. Sometimes we have to go a little short, or sometimes we can add a little extra. Come on now. Kind of scrape it off. There we go. In there, yeah, knock it down. Let's see if I can.
You're mumbling.
Yeah, I'm just talking to myself. Sometimes it makes it taste better. Okay, so turn this up to 10, or maybe we'll go in increments. Low to medium. I've been fighting the COVID. Sorry.
The man cold.
7. Turn it up to 8. Turn it up to 9. And all the way to 10. Mix it real good. Now we'll figure out what the next step is.
We're going to use Rolling Rock.
Half a cup. If some is good, more is better. That's what my mom said, and my wife. I know you're recording this for. How's that looking, Heidi?
Fluffy? Looks fluffy.
Okay. And a half a cup of Leinenkugels beer goes in next.
Except we're using Rolling Rock.
Rolling Rock, yeah, that's okay. So we went a little light on the mayo, so we can go a little heavy on the beer.
That's how that works?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it all kind of evens out.
Oh, good thing you got the giant beer for half a cup.
Well,
Guess you'll have some left over
yeah,
to
it was
drink.
the cheapest one that was of decent, value and flavor.
Because you don't want to use an IPA in this.
No, yeah.
If you make it taste terrible. Oh, go slow with that.
Yeah, I've got to go slow right now. But the consistency, you can see right now it looks like cottage cheese, but it'll get better. See, there it is.
Got to scrape that in a little?
Yeah, probably. You see how dirty, how nasty my hands are getting?
I know. Makes me cringy.
Cringy. I probably should be wearing gloves. Because I got the COVID.
Stop saying that.
Corona. was fantastic.
What goes in next?
What goes in next? Good question. Ranch dip.
Oh,
I think we got some of that.
I hope so.
Yeah, last time I did not measure as well as I should have with that, so this time I'll be careful.
Well, you didn't have a whole cup of mayo, so how much ranch are you gonna put
Well,
in?
it says 1 package of ranch dip mix. I don't know.
I would say maybe a tablespoon.
Tablespoon? I always thought it was 2, but
Well, maybe two.
maybe we just do 1, or maybe 1.5. Maybe 1.5, or just 1.
I don't know.
Yeah, maybe just 1. Yeah, let's see how that looks. We'll put 1 in there. Let me knock it down on the edges a little bit.
Oh, there's thunder outside.
Thunder. Thunder and the lightning. Okay, boys and girls. I don't know, what do you think, Heidi? Does it look like there's enough? Yeah, give it a little,
More.
a little more. Okay, maybe a half.
All I taste is beer and olive oil, mayo.
Yeah, no,
Now that olive oil stuff isn't probably the best to use in there.
I don't think it is.
Maybe add a little salt.
I think there's salt in this.
Yeah, but might take away the olive oil. I don't know.
Okay, well let's
See what that does. And if it sits for a minute, it's better too. Do you put onion in this?
Yeah, green onions.
Okay. We haven't cut those yet.
No.
Okay. That adds a lot of flavor too.
Yeah.
All right, let's cut those.
So what we have done since we met last is we added 1 cup of shredded Colby Jack cheese. My preference, we don't have it or it was in the freezer, was the not quite as finely grated sharp. I like the sharp cheddar cheese in this. Gives it a nice little bite. Now we're going to chop up 3 green onions. If you really like them, you could do more. We'll just knock the heads off, scrape those to the side, and then we'll start to cut those real fine. Yesterday, Miss Monowa showed you how to properly hold a knife and to cut kind of a rocking motion. So we'll try to keep with that. And it's nice, you hear that nice crunch. Lets you know that you're cutting through. And once again, using a sharp knife is always safe, trying to keep your fingers a distance away. So I just kind of cut down and then move to the, kind of slide to the right.
Cut your finger.
No, keeping my fingers safe. Safety first, kids. Safety first in the classroom and in life, and you'll be a winner.
Is that so?
That is so. That's Mr. Edwards. All right, and then we'll leave that little pinch over there. Oh, I had a. Yeah, leave that off. I learned from the best, Miss Bonema, culinary pro.
Yeah.
Okay, so that looks like a decent amount there. Kind of wipe them off the blade there. Now, yeah, I think we leave them whole like this, and then we'll go ahead and toss them in, just like so. All right, so we added the green onions and then we also added the cheese. Toss back in the mixer. And if you have to do this by hand, that's fine. You just have to work a little harder. That seems to be a good speed. Turn it up a notch.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I think so. Might have to knock it down one more time around the edges. Give it one last, yeah, because there's a little bit of cheese that kind of got caught up there. So we will knock it down and then just stir it up just a little bit more. 30 seconds or so ought to do it. Yeah, it's starting to look pretty. Okay, one more quick go around. Oh yeah, looking pretty. All right, and that should be good. Knock it down one last time. And then with the presentation, what we like to do is we like to put this in a nice bowl and then serve it with some pretzel squares. Those are good for dipping and awful tasty too. So we will take a break, put it into a bowl, and show you what the plated special looks like here in a minute. All right, boys and girls, to finish this off, we have our bag of Meyer waffle style pretzels. These are really good for dipping, some of my favorite. So what we'll do is we'll open the bag up, give it a taste. Waffle style pretzels, Leinenkugel's beer cream cheese pretzel dip. Get a good scoop in there, just like that. Boy, is that tasty. Tasty snack. Make that for your family. Can't go wrong. See you on the flip side.